Welcome back to our SEO coding exercises series. In today's episode, we'll be exploring the importance of URL structure in SEO and its impact on both user experience and search engine visibility. Optimizing your URL structure can greatly improve your website's rankings and attract more organic traffic. So, let's dive in. Before we jump into the coding exercise, let's understand what an SEO-friendly URL looks like and why it matters. An SEO-friendly URL is concise, descriptive, and contains relevant keywords. It not only helps search engines understand the content of your webpage, but also enhances the user experience. There are a few key elements to consider when creating an SEO-friendly URL. First, include relevant keywords that accurately reflect the content of the webpage. This helps search engines and users understand what the page is about. Second, use proper formatting to make your URL more readable. Separate words with hyphens instead of underscores or spaces. This improves both user experience and search engine visibility. Now let's move on to the coding exercise. Imagine you have a web page with a poorly optimized URL structure. Your goal is to rewrite the URL to make it more SEO-friendly and user-friendly. Step 1. Open the HTML code of the web page in your preferred text editor or development environment. Locate the section where the URL is defined. Step 2. Analyze the existing URL and identify areas for improvement. Look for opportunities to include relevant keywords and remove any unnecessary elements. Step 3. Rewrite the URL using relevant keywords that accurately describe the content of the web page. Ensure that the URL is concise, readable, and properly formatted. Step 4. Maintain proper hierarchy in the URL structure. If the web page is a subpage of a category or section, include that hierarchy in the URL to provide context. Step 5. Once you've optimized the URL, update the HTML code by replacing the existing URL with the new and improved one. Step 6. Save the changes and upload the updated HTML file to your website server. This ensures that search engines can crawl and index the optimized URL. Congratulations, you've successfully optimized the URL structure of your webpage. Now let's discuss some additional insights and considerations for URL optimization. First, keep your URLs as short and concise as possible. Long and complex URLs can be difficult for users to remember and may not be fully displayed in search results. Second, avoid using URL redirects whenever possible. Redirects can slow down page load times and may negatively impact your website's SEO performance. Lastly, implement URL canonicalization to avoid duplicate content issues. Canonical tags help search engines understand the preferred version of a webpage when multiple URLs point to the same content. And there you have it. URL structure optimization is a crucial aspect of SEO that can greatly impact your website's visibility and user experience. By following these coding exercises and best practices, you'll be well on your way to improving your search engine rankings and attracting more organic traffic. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore another exciting aspect of SEO coding. See you soon.